Hello, this is Shirley from BeUDMKE motor. So today we are testing the agriculture machine, the motor power solution. So let's have a look about what it looks like. Let's go. Hi Roger, what's this?
这是一套我们公司新研发的容积电机测试系统。我们这个系统可以载最多50台电机，这里是12。
Roger said this is a testing system for the agriculture machine, the motors. We use this testing system. You can control about 12 motor and no more than 50 motors at the same time. 那我们是通过什么方式去控制的？We use the CANopen, the communication to control all of the motors, and they can work at the same time, start and stop, and to have the speed adjustment function. We have added the pulse sensor inside and also the controller inside, and the controller is for the CANopen communication. And also we have added the sensor to recognize the speed. So the speed sensor get the feedback to the testing system. Our feedback is very high precision. And from the PC software, you can track the feedback for the controller for all of the signals. It's very fast. Yeah, so this is a whole system. Thank you, Roger. If you have any interesting about that, just let Shirley know. Bye bye. See you next time.